Hello, I'm the DIY diva and I make all my clothes by myself. I love to knit. And now I'm gonna show you how I made my first pair of sneakers with Sneakerkit. This is the leather. They sell it as well. This is suitable for shoemaking. And it's 2 millimeter. This is light blue. It's almost nearly gray. And here we have the sole with the inner sole. Wax cord and a special needle. Okay, when you're ready, hashtag Sneakerkit. What you need? The manual. Well, that's quite a lot. It's all in English, by the way. And here are the patterns. And this is not on paper, it's on cardboard, so that's easy when you draw the pattern. You can make different sizes. Yeah, of course, different sizes, but also different heights. This is the super low top. I don't like it, no. And super high is too high for me. I will make the high top. Other side. Oh, okay. The whole guide, so how to punch. And the front. It didn't work out for me, so I did it my way. And in the manual they said you have to use a silver pen. Well, I never heard about it. So instead I'm using an air erasable pen. And I'm tracing the patterns now. The advice is to first try cutting on a spare part. Okay, that's a good advice. You have to push firmly. Oh, this knife is working much better, much easier. I'm gonna use this one. I want to decorate my shoe, so I'm tracing the original pattern to add some pieces in another color of leather. This isn't quite the same shoe. This used to be a small bag for the belt of my handmade bag, but I'm not using it. But I want to have shoes that go with my bag, so I'll have to cut out 4 pieces for the front, and also I want here the noses to be of the same fabric, so that will be quite a puzzle, I guess. I really thought I would like this, and the holes for the shoelaces should be here. But I don't. Look, this will be the front. I'll try to make it visible. This would be the front, and then this the side, and here would be the shoelaces. No, I don't like it. I don't think I will go further. I will move this. And the only thing I want is the same leather at the back side. So I won't close the shoes with this, but, well, this part, that's what I like. Yeah. Alright, change of plans, no problem. With an awl, I'm marking the places for the shoelaces. So they're visible now. So, and for now, it's hammer time. I love doing this. These marks will be marks and they're tiny punches. I'm not pushing through the whole leather because I want them to be marks, because I'm gonna close the shoe at this side with my sewing machine. I've got a special leather needle, I've got a special foot for it, so that's gonna work. But you don't need to have and to use a sewing machine for making these shoes. Yeah. Next one. I'm just trying to see how it's gonna work out. Let's see, here and here. Yeah, I like the nose. That's good, that's exactly what I wanted. Still trying. No. Oh, well, it was the other side. And just trying. How did it work? Oh, like this. No. I'm still not convinced to do this. No, I'm removing it. Definitely. Oh, I like them. I like them a lot. I just started, but I like these shoes. It's difficult to get a view. It's almost... Okay, we go on. Try out first. No. Now the real stuff. I'm using wonder clips, and then I'm gonna stitch . This will be the top, and I used double-sided tape to hold everything in place. And I add some more double-sided tape. And the smaller part I guess my nails are too short for this. Yeah, there I gotta start. Alright. And by sticking the tape, you will get the right form and the right shape. And I'm just also doing the other part. Look at this. Ready to stitch. And it's hammer time again. Now I'm punching for the shoelaces. And we will start punching again. But I'm marking first where I have to punch. I don't have to use the hammer. The sewing begins. This is a special waxed cord. Oh, that's great. I'm making real shoes. It's unbelievable. The holes are sometimes difficult to see. I see them better on the inside. Oh, it isn't an easy job. But it's so lovely to see these shoes grow under my hands, becoming real shoes. Oh, this is so great. I love it. See? That is nice, isn't it? To make the second stitch, the second round, to make it isn't easy. You will have to use some force sometimes, but I guess it might be that I made these holes a little too small. I used an awl, and maybe I will have to use, well, I have to buy another punch to make it real 2mm holes, which will work better. And you see, you need this space to get the needle through, so you have to stitch loosely. And try not to stitch in the thread, but really stitch next to it, because otherwise you can't pull the tension the right way.